What's the meaning of acclimatize? Acclimatize. 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 To acclimatize means to adapt to a new environment. This can include changes in temperature, altitude, climate, or other factors. When someone acclimatizes, their body makes changes to help them function better in the new environment. For example, if someone moves from a cold climate to a hot climate, their body will start to produce more sweat to help them cool down. Acclimatization can take some time, but it usually happens within a few days or weeks. Here are some examples of acclimatization. A person who moves to a new city may need some time to acclimatize to the different climate and culture. A plant that is moved from a greenhouse to a garden may need some time to acclimatize to the different sunlight and soil conditions. An animal that is moved from one zoo to another may need some time to acclimatize to the different environment. Acclimatization is an important process that helps organisms to survive in new environments.